Do you mind if I join you? Means, will you permit me to sit with you? Do something in a heartbeat means to do something almost immediately. Don't be a stranger means please come back to visit often. Don't get your bowels in an uproar means don't get so excited. Don't waste your breath means you will not get a positive response to what you have to say. Talking will get you nowhere. Down the drain means lost forever or wasted. Down to the wire means at the very last minute or up to the very last instant. Dream on means what you are wanting to happen or expecting is nothing but fantasy, so enjoy and continue to do so. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents, and also please hit that like button. Drinking the Kool-Aid means accepting flawed arguments that have bad consequences. Drop it means do not discuss it further. Easy does it means move slowly and carefully. Enough is enough means that's enough. I won't stand for any more. Everything humanly possible means everything that is in the range of human powers. Fancy meeting you here means I am very surprised to meet you here. Alright everyone, that's it for today's lesson. Don't miss out my daily lessons by hitting that subscribe button. Also remember to hit that like button as well. You may need to watch these contents as well. Thanks for watching and I will see you tomorrow.